Mexico. The affected areas have been closed. That's tough news for many small businesses that rely on the rivers for their livelihood. And Roger Zalnaritis has been hearing a lot of anxiety about that. He's the executive director of the La Plata County Economic Development Alliance in Durango, Colorado.
It's been a shock for everybody here, as you can imagine. It's been a very strong emotional response from our community. Businesses have been affected in various ways, some not at all. Some have closed. Clearly, if your livelihood is on the river, you are temporarily